1978 Chevrolet Camaro here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 305 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia on this one. You can see we have some pinstriping done on this car. A few highlighted areas around it. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, there's some spots in the red where it's touched up. Is it perfect paint? No. Does it show well? Have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. This car, get in, drive, have some fun. Take the local roll-ins, local shows, cruise-ins. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. As you can see, it's riding on the American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels. A little more of the pinstriping, as you can see down the passenger side. Just some highlighted areas on it. You can see the passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. That door panel nice and straight, considering how long those panels are. This is an original 75 paint code, so that would be red, and 11T. So it actually came with a white vinyl top. Now has a sunroof, and also red interior. Upholstery on the inside appears that it has been redone. Center console added after the fact, aftermarket stereo system. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out here in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Dual exhaust coming out the rear. Was originally a California car, Van Nuys built. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside. Engine bay, interior, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side, again, you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a couple spots where, again, maybe a little bit of touch up done on a little chip. You know, that type of thing. Something a previous owner that cared for the car wanted to take care of it did. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay here too. But first, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels look good. I believe according to the data tag, which you can see in the still pictures, this was a red vinyl car to begin with. That's why I believe the interior has been reupholstered, and as you can see, is in nice shape. No major rips, tears, or holes. How about that headliner? Headliner looking good. I have had the wipers working. Radio also working. Let's go ahead and we're going to fire this up. There's that 4-speed. We're going to make sure that's in neutral when we start it here. Get the clutch in. There we go. Make sure it's not going to go anywhere. We're in neutral, looking good. Fuel gauge. Here's if that works, up on half. Odometer reads 83,784. I can't confirm or deny if that's actual or not, just due to the fact on the title, once the car becomes so old, it's marked exempt. Stereo system, yes, it is working. And that 305 underneath the hood. That was a cold start, so we may be on high idle for just a little bit. Top of the dash looks good. Let it warm up here a little bit, and by the time I show you the underside of the hood, we'll have it off that high idle and warmed up a little bit. Engineer, it sounds good. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. That'll be a pull right here, just so you know, kind of hidden in the grill. Take a look at the underside of the hood. And warmed up, it did drop off that high idle. There it is. 305, power steering, power brakes. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. There's a battery disconnect here for if you have it parked for any amount of time, maybe in between cruises with it, or if you store it, you can disconnect that battery, put a tender on it. Sounds good. (1978) Chevrolet Camaro. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1978 Chevrolet Camaro, red on red. Very nice looking Camaro. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Kenwood radio working good. Both our turn signals are functioning. Accelerates as you would expect. Our fuel gauge is just under half. Mostly warning lights for the rest of the dash. We're doing 55 miles an hour. The lower motor does work. Our wipers also work. Smooth riding Camaro. This car starts right up, purrs very nicely, and is a stock sounding exhaust. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Power steering, easy to drive. Red cloth bucket seats. There's a center storage unit that is aftermarket for cup holders. This car corners okay. Corners as you would expect. A stock 78 Camaro. Nice feeling clutch, good feeling shifts.